Alright, what's going on, guys? Simply Sports Cards here with a recap of 2015 Topps Chrome Jumbo Baseball. We've opened 3 boxes out of the case so far. So this is a recap of box 1, 2, and 3. So again, recap of box 1, 2, and 3 out of an 8-box Topps Chrome Jumbo 2015 Baseball. Recap, so those quick hitters here. So far, they shielded 3 Chris Bryant rookie cards. Some of the color, Dalton Pompey to 99. Kenny Vargas blue, that's 150. Ryan Rua purple, these are 250. Bonilla purple. Ian Desmond purple. Got a Byron Buxton short print variation. It's number 203. Got a gold Michael Brantley to 50. 44.50. Justin Morneau orange 21 of 25. Then some of the other inserts and refractors. Got Pfister, Perella, Holtzcomb, Adrian Gonzalez, Christian Walker, Ryan Braun, Adrian Beltre, Rosny Castillo, Nick Castellanos, Dylan Betances, Pujols, and this guy. I'm not going to try to pronounce that without butchering it totally. You know, Giancarlo Stanton, Franco Noah Rodriguez, Kenny Vargas, Miguel Cabrera, Prism, Spagenberg, Alvarez, Prism, Pompey, Lorenzo Cain, John Singleton, Freddie Freeman. In the third box, some Archie Bradley action there. Ventura, Tuviala, a couple Petersons in there. Not sure. Can't tell that one was refracted. I'm struggling to tell with refractors. Stanton, Schmidt, Peterson, Sabathia, Adam Jones, Norris, Hunter, Lovestein, and Farmer. Then on to the autographs. Edwin Escobar, Red Sox. A blue Devin Travis, Blue Jays, number 150. Alvarez, A's. Trevor Mays, the Twins. Kevin Plawecki, Mets. Micah Johnson. Michael Taylor refractor auto, Nationals. That one's numbered to 499. Hunter Strickland. Corey Spagenberg. Tuivailala. Graven. Corsino. There's a Blake Sweetheart. Oh, Sweetheart. And he's purple. Number to 2 of 250. Lobstein. And Matt Clark. So not a whole lot of power out of the first 3 boxes. But pretty cool product. A lot of color. A lot of fun. Always opening. We're live on Breakers TV Wednesdays and Thursdays, and we will jump on periodically for random breaks throughout the week as schedule permits. Appreciate everybody who jumps in the room. Take care.